Hare Krishna. Good morning. Welcome all of you. Now we are dealing with the presenting the 108 important. Welcome to the 108 important slokas of Gita. Hare Krishna. Today's verse we are going to see finding help in the Gita. One second. Before that, let us start with a small Mangalacharan. Today we are going to see on fear the 3 verses. Okay, let me start with Mangalacharan. Magnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshushummeditam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Tadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Shagrajatam Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakam Vitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarudasya Kripa Sindhu Bhayeva Chapatitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivashadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Mukam Karoti Vachalam Pangum Langayate Girim Yatkripa Tammaham Vande Paramananda Madhavam Shri Gurum Dinataranam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Ascharya Deshatarini. Hare Krishna. Today's topic is fear. How to overcome the fear. Right? So we are going to see the verse today, chapter 4, 10th verse. Vitaragha Bhaya Krodha Manmaya Mam Upashritaha Bahavo Jnana Tapasa Bhutamadbhavam Agataha. I repeat. Vitaragha Bhaya Krodha Manmaya Mam Upashritaha Bahavo Jnana Tapasa Bhutamadbhavam Agataha. So what Krishna is telling here, let's see the word by word meaning. Vita, freed from. Raga, attachment. Bhaya, fear. Krodha, anger. Mat, maya, fully in me. Mam, in me. Upashritaha, being fully situated. Bahavaha, many. Jnana, of knowledge. Tapasa, by penance. Bhutaha, being purified. Madbhavam, transcendental love for me. Agataha, attained. So what's the translation? Krishna is telling here, being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me. Many persons in the past have become purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me. So basically the meaning of this whole thing is that person who's very materially it's difficult for a person who's too materially affected to understand the true nature of the absolute truth, Krishna, who are attached to the bodily conception of life and so absorbed in materialism that it's almost impossible for them to understand how the Supreme can be a person. Okay, see, that's what it's fully the verse is telling here. Let's move on to the next verse on fear. Chapter 11, 50. Okay, let's go to chapter 11. Let's see the 50th verse. What Krishna is telling in this 50th verse. Sanjaya Vacha Iti Arjunam Vasudevas Tatoktva Swakam Rupam Darshayam Ashabuyah आश्वासयाम् आश च भीतम् ईनं भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर्महात्मा. I repeat, Sanjaya Uvacha इति अर्जुनं वासुदेवस्ततोक्त्वा स्वकं रूपं दर्शयाम् आश भूयः आश्वासयम् आश च भीतम् ईनं भूत्वा पुनः सौम्य वपुर्महात्मा. Word by meaning, Sanjaya Uvacha, Sanjaya said, iti thus Arjunam into Arjuna, Vasudevasya, who is nothing but Krishna, who is no one but Krishna, Tata in that way, Uktva speaking, Swakam his own, Rupam form, Darshayam as showed, Bhuyaha again, Ashvashayam, Asha encouraged, Bhitam fearful, Enam him, Bhutva becoming, Punaha again, Saumya Vapuhu, beautiful form. Mahatma, the great one. Mahatma, great one. It's obvious, right? So, translation, Sanjaya is talking here to Dhritarashtra. What is he saying? The Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-arm form and at last showed his two-arm form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. Okay? Hope you got it. So let's move on to the next verse on fear. Which chapter? Next verse. Where is that page? Hmm. 18th chapter, 30th verse. Okay, we're seeing the 18th chapter, 30th verse. प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च कार्यकार्ये भयाभये बन्धं मोक्षं च यावेति बुद्धि सा पार्थ सात्विकी. Repeat. प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च कार्यकार्ये भयाभये बन्धं मोक्षं च यावेति बुद्धि सा पार्थ सात्विकी. So what is the word by word meaning? Pravrittim doing, cha also, nivrittim not doing, karya what ought to be done, akarya what ought not to be done, bhaya fear, abhaye fearlessness, bandham bondage, moksham liberation, veti knows, buddhi understanding, sata satviki in the mode of goodness. So what's the meaning? O son of Partha, that understanding by which one knows what ought to be done and what ought not to be done, and what is to be feared and what is not to be feared, what is binding and what is liberating, is all in the mode of goodness. So unless we are directed by the spiritual master or by the higher authority, all our material, works become entangled in the actions and reactions of work. So we have to use our intelligence, which is situated in the mode of goodness, in performing all our actions. And that's what in performing actions of the direction of scriptures is called pravriti here. That's what it's mentioned here. Or executing actions that deserve to be performed. Okay, and not to be performed. That's what it's saying. So we'll be free from fear. That's what is Krishna telling to Arjuna. Thank you. Tomorrow I will see you all with another set of verses. That's it for today. Vanchakalpatarudrasya kripa sindhu bhayeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.